become an affiliate marketing master with these tips. In these hard times, you're probably looking for alternative ways to make some extra money. If so, you definitely should give affiliate marketing a try. If successful, it can become a great source of income, and even become your primary source of money. Follow these tips and suggestions to build a successful affiliate site. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. Choose affiliates that clearly complement your own product or service. Many novice marketers make the mistake of placing affiliate ads for goods that could feasibly replace their own offerings. The ideal affiliate is the perfect pairing to your product that can be marketed to take your original offering to the next level, in terms of value and experience. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you choose a niche that fits you. Do not choose a niche on a whim. Do some research, and discover the best niche that will suit you and your interests. You have a much better shot at being successful if you pick a niche that you love than if you pick one that you do not. As it was stated before in the video, affiliate marketing can become a great alternative to a traditional job for earning money. However, when there are hundreds of thousands of sites on the web, how will you stand out? You need to persistently try to make your site more up to date and attractive to your audience. These tips in this video can help you do just that. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.